ka all Mikaya Dancer Association kan rakhe yak jingdap option snem bat sibinta halokani kan pelong yak jing Iakop Shad ke bahe ke batip kum ke Mikaya Superstar National Level Season 2 haka apnyo tarik metau no para ajapsan ha State Central Library Shillong haka te sngi kin wandu ginang Bishar ki bapau na bar kum unipo badai Nongshad pau kari India ba job ru yak Red Bull Dance house nem aja phuai bat aja phulai bat haka dan basau haka India Best Dancer Season 4 rengkat ke kenhon Unity One Crew ke badai ke kenhon Nongshad na Assam ke mi khmat yak India haka World Hiphop Dance Championship bat ke barak ro ikan namla du apo India Hiphop Dance Championship kajing tu ban pelong ikan kajing Iakop Shad kelong ban kentil ban pelelat yagi reudan sap ke jela Mikhaya ban ya tunjuk boru bat kisna Nongshad nabar laong ba kit bok taba upsdan ke all Mikhaya Dancer Association barba Miki Paul Maulong Social Secretary ke Amda ha ke kerwa belapa.
Yo, what's up guys? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? Namaste India. This is me Deepak Shaiye K Nepo from India's Best Dancer Season 4 and I'm super excited to announce that I'm coming to your city, Shillong on this 26th and 27th of December for giving workshop and judging the Meghalaya Superstar National Level Championship guys. This event is presented by All Meghalaya Dancers Association. In this event we have crew category, we have solo senior, we have solo junior. So I am guys super excited and thrilled to watch you all and I love to watch you all. So please come in this event. Also this event is under the leadership of Kid Book, president of All Meghalaya Dancer Association, and Mike Paul Maulong, the secretary of Youth Talent. And I also want to give thanks to my brother Suraj Thakur for inviting me. Thank you so much brother, and whole community of Shillong जो इस इवेंट को करा रहे हैं. Big ups to them guys and I'm super excited. I'm really super excited to see you all. तो मिलते हैं guys 26th and 27th of December Shillong. Let's go.
What's up, everyone? This is Abhishek representing 21 Crew, and I'm coming to your city Shillong on 26th and 27th of December. 26th there will be a workshop, and 27th there will be a dance competition, that is Meghalaya Superstar National Level Dance Competition. There are three categories, that is solo senior, solo junior, and crew. I'm so excited to watch you guys performing. Also, this is under the leadership of Mr. Kidbo, the president of All Meghalaya Dancers Association, and Mike Paul Maulong as associate secretary. So I'd like to thank my friend Kidbo for inviting me. And I'm really excited to watch you guys performing. See you soon. We are one.